get people to fall in love with your videos. I'm going to be sharing 3 tips on how to get people to fall in love with your videos. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first tip that I'm going to share is all about being yourself. If you want people to fall in love with your videos and fall in love with who you are, you can't pretend to be somebody that you're not. People are quick to see if you're being fake or disingenuous, so please show up as yourself. You're going to attract the right people. If you try to pretend that you're someone you're not going to attract the right people. People are going to like you for who you are, not who you're trying to be. So, first things first, just be yourself. Okay, the second thing is add value. People don't have a lot of time to waste. So if they're investing time in your video, they want to receive something valuable in return. So make sure you're bringing your A game with all of your content at all times. You don't need to follow the formulas or the tactics, just stay true to who you are and deliver the value in the way that you want to deliver it. The third thing is make the videos that you want to watch. So create content that you would like to watch. If you keep that in mind, you really can't go wrong and people will fall in love with your videos. When you stop looking outside for all the things and you start looking inside, that is when you will realize that you know exactly what to do. Of course, I'm not talking about strategies, tactics, and tech, but what I mean is stop comparing, stop competing, start loving who you are and what you bring to the table. People will fall in love with your videos when you fall in love with your videos. So stop competing, stop comparing, start listening to who you are, show up as your true self, add value, and make the videos you want to watch. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like, and if you know somebody else who might love this video, go ahead and share it up. Now remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up. Boom, boom, oops, I dropped my notes. All right, here we go. I love you.